So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Young Technical Guy. Today we're gonna talk about this Windows Sandbox that is pre-installed in your computer and you didn't even know about this. So okay, let's start. So first let me show you this is real. If I click here, see, it's a normal Windows and it's completely inbuilt in your PC. I really don't even know about this. See this document, this PC, and yeah. So to actually enable this feature, first what you have to do is click on your search option and search features. Just turn Windows features on and off will come. You need to just open this. Now what you have to do is go to the bottom of this and you will see Windows Sandbox here. You have to just check this. And by the way, if you're facing this error, just follow these steps. First you have to click on Windows and restart your PC. Then as it is restarting, you have to keep pressing F12 key. I'll keep pressing this. Keep pressing. So see, now I will click on enter setup. Your interface may be different, but you need to go to the boot option. I will down with my keyboard and click on enter setup. See now the boot window shows up. So guys, in the BIOS, by the way, your interface may be different, but you need to find this. You have to find Intel virtualization technology. So see, in my BIOS, it's in the BIOS features. Let's click this key to go to right. And see, now we are in BIOS features and see here is it, Intel virtualization technology. What you need to do is enable it. Mine is already enabled, but you can just press enter to enable it. So then what you have to do is press F10 key. Here is also says that F10 to save and exit. Then press F10 key to save and exit. I will press F10 key and yes. So now your computer will automatically restart. Now I'm back now. Okay, so if you have enabled that Intel virtualized technology feature, then this should automatically enable. Now you can just tick this and press OK. Okay, let's start our sandbox. Let's search sandbox and Windows Sandbox will show here and you need to just open this. Okay, so here's our Windows Sandbox. So you can do this let me tell you, this is actually the normal Windows. You can do like any test here or anything, like you have to test something here. You can do anything like let me just open this Microsoft Edge. Okay, so see our Microsoft Edge is open. Now let's like search like youtube.com and how smoothly it runs actually depends on your system. Now let's search our own channel, the Young Technical Guy. See, it's completely normal. And by the way, please subscribe to our channel. Now you can also search or something like let's search something mouse. I searched mouse because I was looking at my mouse and I was thinking of searching. So see, like it works. So guys, I'm thinking of downloading some virus. Let's do that. Guys, okay, so now what you have to do is extract these viruses. Before doing that, let me tell you, don't download viruses. As I said, this is just for testing something. This is Windows Sandbox. I'm not doing this with my normal Windows. So this is Windows Sandbox. And now I have to also disconnect my net so virus won't flow through my net. Now as our internet is disconnected, let's download these. Oh my gosh, it's finally done. I don't know if it's laggy for you, but oh, by the way, why it's taking my name, address, city, my postal code, my country, my email. What is gonna do it? Guys, that's why it's a virus. And see how much. Oh my god, how much slow is this running? Before it was running smoothly, but now let's see how. I don't know what this monkey is speaking. And I've downloaded two viruses, this Bronzy and Butterfly Windows. So, and what should I do now? Let's see. Why is he still talking? Stop, dude. I don't want to hear you. Why is he moving like this? So, I have a question. Can we run Windows Sandbox inside a Windows Sandbox? Let's check that. Wait, why is it not loading? I think you can't do that. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like And please subscribe to my channel, the young technical guy. Again, I'm telling. So guys, and please comment and please press that bell notification. What was that? What? Okay, I know I used that joke in my shorts also, but yes. Okay, guys, bye.